Using WC seats in public washroom could be a nightmare. It is full of poop, urine, bacteria, and viruses. Is it impossible to use WC without cleaning the seat? Generally, people use tissue papers to clean these toilet seats or wash it with water by using jet spray. This leads to wastage of tissue paper and water and creates a lot of mess. In public washrooms, we should take care of hygiene. Dirty WC seats creates a bad impression. I would like to introduce toilet seat cover dispenser by Euronics, the solution to enhance your sanitary environment by allowing everyone to use a clean and safe toilet seats. After every use, new plastic roll automatically replaces the earlier one. Toilet seat dispenser helps to remove the risk of transmitting germs and viruses. User doesn't have to go through pain of cleaning the mess created by person who used WC before. It is compatible with most toilet seats and also enhances the style and hygiene of your toilet. Contact us for more details.